In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can integrate Airtable with ClickUp. So without further ado, let's begin. Now, to do this, you would need another app which is called Zapier. So open your web browser and go to zapier.com. This is where we can make the integration happen. First, once you've logged in on your account, click on Create, then click on Zap. This is basically a workflow in which you can integrate Airtable and ClickUp. Now, let's describe our workflow. Let's type in connect or create a workflow. Let's go back with connect. Airtable with ClickUp. Then start building. The AI for Zapier would automatically make this interaction happen. So as you can see, this is the step-by-step process right here. Now, let's answer the queries. As you can see, what should trigger the automation? Let's say the new ClickUp task. Now, wait for the prompts. As you can see, it's automatically happening. And right here, it is now connected. Then what we're going to do is connect with our ClickUp accounts and our Airtable accounts. So let's sign into our ClickUp account. Wait for a few seconds and click on the workspace you want to use. So we've now connected with our ClickUp account. Now let's sign in to our Airtable account. Continue to Airtable. Let's sign in with our Google account. Allow access. Base. Grant access. Wait for it to finish connecting. Now, to finish, as you can see, we've now successfully connected ClickUp with Airtable by simply clicking on which table and which base on our Airtable account we want to use. We've finally completed the automation. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.